The Bertone GB110, marking the 110th anniversary of the renowned Italian design house, signals a revival under new ownership. Acquired in 2020, Bertone now teases an upcoming supercar via a revamped website and Instagram, blending nostalgic nods to its past designs with a futuristic vision. The GB110 boasts a 1,124 horsepower V-10 engine, linked to a 7-speed automatic gearbox, promising 0 to 62 miles per hour in 2.8 seconds, and a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Notably, it introduces an innovative sustainable fuel derived from plastic waste, aiming for an eco-friendly stance despite its gas-powered engine. Design-wise, it diverges from classic Bertone aesthetics, opting for a more contemporary mid-engine supercar look, though still featuring distinct elements like squared headlights, butterfly doors, and intricate taillight patterns. Despite its departure from tradition, Bertone plans a limited production of 33 units, emphasizing refined enhancements and technological sophistication. However, crucial details remain unclear. The availability and cost of the new fuel, as well as the car's market reach. While track testing has commenced, its road legality, particularly in America, remains uncertain. The GB110 echoes Bertone's legacy while heralding a new chapter, blending heritage with innovation in a limited edition supercar that strays from its iconic design roots.